Hey everyone, I just registered for this video for Russ RUFFINO, and I thought I would go over a little bit of the psychology behind these type of videos, and just a little bit of the structure, and we'll just cover some basics. And I might make this into a 4-part mini series if you're interested in this kind of thing. So I'll watch some of the video, but I just want to take you through basically the copy of the registration page after you register by leaving your name and email. I tried to just leave my first name and initial, and it didn't allow that. So you need your full name, first name, last name. So this is a super 4-step funnel that takes prospects from click to client in less than 48 hours, even if your price is $3,000 to $10,000 or more. So right away, captures you by saying it's simple, it's 4 steps, it's a 4-step funnel that takes prospects from click to client in less than 48 hours, even if your price is $3,000 or $10,000. So your pass expires when this clock hits 0. So there's 23 hours left. Make sure your speakers are on. So I believe this is a 45-minute presentation. So in this presentation, Russ RUFFINO is going to explain why complicated funnels and sales processes are a complete waste of time. Complicated funnels. Okay, so he has a simple 4-step funnel, so it eliminates complicated funnels. And then the simple process we use to enroll the 5-figure clients like clockwork, how we've earned $10 or more for every $1 we spend. So a little bit of marketing on Facebook advertising. I've heard this from a few other gurus. Why premium pricing is the secret to getting better results. I've heard people say that as well. How this one simple funnel generated 15 million. So this one funnel, so this presentation, he's going to share exactly how it was done with one funnel, one simple funnel, not a complicated funnel, but a simple funnel. Why launches, branding, blogging, endless content marketing, and grinding out endless videos are the worst way to attract new clients, and what you can do to create immediate momentum today. So I saw this because of an ad on YouTube when I was watching YouTube. So he's saying right now, grinding out endless videos are the worst way to attract new clients. Okay? How to do all of this while fulfilling your mission, getting stunning outcomes for your clients, and making the impact you were born to make. So this is the interesting part at the bottom. This is always important to read. Terms and conditions. Any sales figures referenced are my personal sales figures or those of our most exceptional clients. Please understand, my results are not typical. I'm not implying you'll duplicate them or do anything for that matter. I have the benefit of practicing online marketing for 7+ years, grinding it out with videos. I just added that part. And have an established following as a result. The average person who buys any online marketing information gets little to no results. I'm using these references for example purposes only. This is just an example, guys. Don't take this serious. Your results will vary and depend on many factors, including, but not limited to, your background, experience, and work ethic. All business entails risk, as well as massive and consistent effort and action. If you're not willing to accept that, please do not attempt to work with us. So it just feels a little bit incongruent. A little bit like, I don't know, some kind of a paradox or something going on here where it says a super simple 4-step funnel that takes prospects from click to client in less than 48 hours. Even if your price, my price, is $3,000 to $10,000. Excuse me. So, in the next video, I'm going to play this presentation and let's just go through it piece by piece. If you like this kind of thing, feel free to comment, like the video, subscribe to this channel, because I like to actually break down some of these sales presentations and the psychology behind it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.